Hello everyone, this is Shraddha from Our Education with the latest update. Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharam launches online dashboard of National Infrastructure Pipeline. The National Infrastructure Pipeline projects database will help in providing real-time updates for domestic and foreign investors in the infrastructure projects. Union Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharam on August 10 launched an online dashboard of National Infrastructure Pipeline. The dashboard will showcase over 6,800 projects online. The online dashboard of NIP is to be hosted on the India Invested Grid IIG, which is dynamic and interactive online platform that showcases real-time and updated investment opportunities in India. As per the Ministry of Finance, the National Infrastructure Pipeline (NIP) project database will help in providing real-time updates for domestic and foreign investors in the infrastructure projects. Ministry of Finance has informed that the online dashboard has been launched for creating world-class infrastructure in the country as well as for improving the quality of life of the citizens. As per the Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharam, NIP provides a boost to the vision of Atmanirbhar Bharat, and the availability of NIP projects on IIG will ensure the easy accessibility to updated project information as well as will also attract investors for PPP projects. Ministry of Finance also did a tweet, another step in the direction of Atmanirbhar Bharat and National Infrastructure Pipeline. Online dashboard of NIP showcasing 6,800 plus projects is launched today, 10 August 2020 by FM Smith. She further added that it will be a great step in the direction of implementing NIP, giving a push to infrastructure development in the country. Anurag Thakur, Minister of State for Finance, was also present on the occasion, mentioned that NIP aims at bolstering infrastructure development across various sectors such as logistics, transport, communication, water and sanitizing energy among others. In her budget speech of 2019-20, the Finance Minister had announced an outlay of Rs 100 lakh crores for infrastructure projects over the next 5 years. For more such updates, subscribe to our channel and like and share the video.